I want to quickly touch on some updates that were done last month, but I'm just getting a chance to actually look into it. So if we go over to github.com/fedorae.com/Nuxt UIkit, we're just going to look at the release notes for the last release, which is version 3.0.9. And as you can see, as I mentioned before, this was last month, because I've been crazy busy, and as a result of that, I haven't really got a chance to really look at things. But for this release, it was primarily focused on the documentation side of things. We pretty much just bumped the versions of the packages, or the main packages or dependencies that we have up. But primarily the focus was really on getting the documentation really up to par. So essentially we updated the packages or dependencies for the documentation, in addition to switching things over to PNPM, or essentially adding PNPM as an installation option, and just updating, adding some information for the dev tools that was integrated in the last release, in addition to adding a cover template. So what the cover template that would have been created, I think in a previous video, so you can have that as a template to use if you want to use the Nuxt UIkit module, and have that template, that cover template to start from. So if we go back over to the repository, we can just click over to the documentation side. And now we can see that by default, we have PNPM as our installation option. And when we go over to the getting started, we have some more information. Well, the first thing is now that we have 3 separate options for installing the Nuxt UIkit module. So now we have PNPM as the default, in addition to the Nuxt UIkit integration, well, the Nuxt DevTools integration. So we just put essentially just put an image here with a link to documentation and the Nuxt cover template. So if you want to use this template, you can essentially just install it with the Nuxt UIkit module pre-install and setup, and everything is there for you. So that was pretty much it for the version 3.0.9 release. You guys can let me know what you think of it.